In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airwallex to Shopify. This integration is a great way to streamline your e-commerce operations, allowing you to handle international payments with ease. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have everything set up correctly. First, before diving into the connection itself, make sure you have active accounts on both Airwallex and Shopify. If not, take a moment to sign up for them. Having these accounts ready and confirmed will make the process smoother. Once you're logged into both platforms, we'll start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Keep this tab open, as you'll need to switch back and forth between it and Airwallex during the connection process. Next, navigate to the Shopify Payments settings. You can find this by clicking on Settings at the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard, then selecting Payments from the menu. In the Payments section, you will see various payment providers. But for now, you'll need to scroll down to the Alternative Payments section. This is where we can begin integrating Airwallex as a payment option. Now, let's switch over to Airwallex. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Integrations section of your account. Look for the option that allows you to connect your Airwallex account to Shopify. This might be labeled differently depending on updates to the platform, but it should be straightforward to find. Follow the prompts provided by Airwallex. It will likely require authorizing the integration and providing your Shopify store's unique URL. Ensure that you grant the necessary permissions for Airwallex to access and manage your Shopify transactions. Making sure these settings are correct is crucial for everything to work seamlessly later on. After you've initiated the connection from the Airwallex side, head back to your Shopify dashboard. Here, you might need to refresh the Payment Settings page. After doing so, check whether Airwallex has appeared under the Alternative Payments section. Once it does, make sure to enable it by clicking on it and following any additional prompts that ask for confirmation. If prompted, you may need to verify your business details or answer further compliance-related questions to ensure smooth cross-border transactions. With Airwallex set as an alternate payment provider, you're almost there. It's a good idea to run a test transaction to ensure everything is working seamlessly. This way, you can catch any potential issues before your customers do, ensuring a smooth shopping experience with international transactions. And remember, both Airwallex and Shopify offer support if you run into any hiccups during this setup process. Don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service teams if needed. That's all there is to it. Connecting Airwallex to Shopify is a great step to simplify how you handle international payments in your e-commerce store. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.